Guys, hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great day. I wanted to make a video about really an important topic, especially for business owners, because I have a lot of my clients and friends asking me the difference between a sole proprietorship and a corporation, which one is more beneficial. So I've had this topic come up multiple times in my career, and I really wanted to make a video on it, and I wanted to express the pros and cons of each. So with a sole proprietorship, it's very interesting because you're the only person in the business. There's no one else operating in the business, and you're the only one operating in the business. So you take on a lot of risk. One of the major risks is unlimited liability. So basically, when you take on creditors, when you get into a lot of debt, it can be a problem for you because creditors can actually come after your personal assets. And if they come after your personal assets, and for example, God forbid you pass away, those creditors can still come after your assets through your legacy. So that's something that's really important to consider when having a sole proprietor, being a sole proprietor. Also, with a sole proprietor, you are a one-person business and you cannot raise any capital. So if you want to raise capital through the public exchange, you cannot do that. You can only give salaries to your employees if ever you have employees in your business. Another risk of having a sole proprietor is that you're basically alone. And you have no partners in the business, so you're basically operating as a one-person company, and you are your own entity, meaning that you take on all the risk, and all the capital that you invest is basically part of the business. And if you get into debts, then that can accrue over time, and it can be a problem for you in the future. Now, with a corporation, it's actually very interesting because with a corporation, it is actually a separate entity. Meaning the corporation, you could actually have multiple corporations, meaning you can have multiple entities as part of your business. And with a corporation, you can actually raise capital, which is very important because if you can raise capital in the public exchange, if ever you need money and you need to raise capital, we can actually raise capital and actually use part of that capital for your business. And the good thing is you can actually get, from an accounting perspective, you can get dividend tax credits and all that stuff. But that's for you to talk to if you're accountants. And with a corporation as well, it's actually interesting because it's limited liability. Creditors cannot come after your personal assets. They can only come after your corporate assets or your business assets. So if ever a claim were to happen where your creditors want to make a claim on your assets, they can only claim the assets of your business. So that's a very interesting part of having a corporation, is that you can actually protect yourself from any kind of liabilities or any kind of debts that can arise from your business. And the good thing with having a corporation is that once you make more money in your business, you can actually get tax benefits and you can actually pay lower taxes, but that's something that you need to talk to your accountant about, as that is more of an accounting matter. So as you can see, I've outlined the benefits, pros, cons of having a corporation or having a sole proprietorship. It really just comes down to, I guess, how much money you're making, because the more money you're making, it actually makes more sense to go into a corporation. However, less money you're making, maybe if you're just starting, maybe a sole proprietorship would be better for you. One thing to also consider is the paperwork. When you're doing a lot of paperwork for your business, once you have a corporation, it's actually more paperwork because there's a lot of things to file. Whereas sole proprietorship, it's usually just one government filing and that's it. So it really just comes down to those factors. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this is very educational for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys learned a lot today. Take care.